Today we're demonstrating a Haas VF3 at Galaxy Precision. This is a very good running machine. This is coming right out of our shop. We bought a brand new one, and so we need the floor space. This thing is in very good condition. It's got the pallet changer, although we have not been using it and we have not tested it recently. But the machine runs great. All the weight covers are in good condition, including the back one and the side ones. And it's got a 20 tool changer. It has a 20 horsepower high torque motor with 2-speed gearbox, so you can really get down low torque, or you can get up to 7,500 RPM on the spindle. I'm going to do a quick walk around. Sorry if I can't get the whole machine at one time, but there's an auger with a spout that works great. We've got the large coolant tank. Here's the coolant pump. We've got a washdown hose which stays on there, and the automatic oiler, electrical cabinet, and like I said, everything works good. We do have a preventative maintenance program in place. We document everything. This pallet changer is set up for easy loading. You can load from the front side and from the back side. And here's your control. And it's got automatic door opener and closer. And this is the pallet changer number. And what we're going to do here quickly is we're going to be running a cycle. And this is Haas control, and which is a very user-friendly control. We have the remote, that works great. And so we're going to get going on running the cycle. You can see it's pretty fast. Now it would be doing some milling. It's done milling. It's going to tool change, and it's going to be using a drill with a fast peck drill. Doing a fast peck drill. And the noise you do here is probably the weight cover. It has rigid tapping, programmable coolant, rigid tapping is great because you can even call it up a smaller tap and you'll make a perfect thread every time. Change back to the first tool when it's done tapping. As you can see, the table is very good condition. got tapped holes. So you can put vices or whatever you might want to use on there. So we run our program, and like I said, it works good. You can come and take a look at it and view the video. It's available, it's under power, and actually easy access to get it out of the building. Thank you for watching the video.